Welcome to this demonstration on installing the Achain Windows Lite Wallet. So you're just going to go to Google and type in Achain. Click on the link for the website. Once we're on the website, we're going to go down to Wallet, click on Wallet. And here we have three options. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Windows Lite option. So click on the Windows Lite. Here we get the option to save the wallet. So we're going to go down here and click Save As. Here I've already actually created a folder called Achain and I have saved it already in that folder. So you just click Save and then it would download. I'll just go to the folder where I've downloaded that wallet. And here we're going to unzip it. And now we have the extracted folder. So we're going to go down to Achain Wallet Lite exe and double click that. Now the first time you open the wallet, you have to set a password of at least 8 letters, numbers, or special characters. It's a good idea to have a number of all three. So I'll quickly do that. And it's a good idea to write down your password and keep it somewhere safe. So now that I've created a new password and the wallet's now opened, what we have to do is go to Account. So once we select that, we're going to add an account. We're going to add a new account because we're creating a new Achain Lite wallet. Here you have to create, you have to label your account. So it can be anything that you want and you select check. It says you can use this name. You can have up to 50 accounts linked to your wallet. So we're going to select OK. And now it says your account has been added successfully. Please save your private key now. So we click OK. And it gives you tips just reminding you how important your private key is. It's the only access to your funds, so you need to keep it safe. And it's a good idea to store your private keys on at least 2 separate devices, stored in 2 separate locations, so that if something happens, if there's a fire or whatever, you've got your private keys stored in another location and you can restore your wallet, which is another video. So here I'm just going to select the path, and for me I'm actually going to save it to a USB pen. And here you could create a folder. In this case I'll just select the empty directory, and it's going to now export my private key to that USB pen. So now we can see that we've backed up our private key. If you want to now back it up to your second device, you simply hit export again and then select your path. In this case, it might be an external hard drive, and select export again. So now here is your Achain wallet address. This is the address that you would use to send Achain from an exchange. So you've brought Achain on an exchange and you need to send it to your wallet. This is the address that you would input on the exchange. And it's a really good idea to use the copy icon. So that's now copied to your clipboard, which really eliminates errors. So it's highly recommended to do that. If we go down to markets, I'll just quickly show you this. It just lists all the assets that you can store on the wallet, the current price, profit and loss, and growth and decline. Now, if we go back to account, we've covered that. If you go to transfer, this is where you will select your asset, the particular asset that you want to transfer. And then you would select the account. If I had multiple accounts, one under my wife's name, you'd want to then select the right account. And From here, you can then input the wallet address that you want to send your Achain to. Now, if that's an exchange, you would look for the deposit option, and then they will give you an Achain address to deposit your Achain into. And you would again want to copy and paste that very carefully and put it into here. Type in the amount of Achain you want to transfer. Keep in mind that there's just a transaction fee of 0.01 ACT. Double check that address and hit transfer. And the network is very, very fast. It's one of the things that's really, really good about Achain. It's very fast. Also, up in here, you've got a settings button. And by default, your wallet will automatically lock after 5 minutes. You can change that. You can increase it. I really like that feature. If you're at your computer and you leave your computer and you go out and do a bit of shopping or whatever, at least your wallet is then locked and someone will have to know the password to unlock your wallet on the screen. You've got two options. You've got Chinese or English for your preferred language. And so I really like that automatic lock feature. It's a really good idea. If you go up to the home, you get basically a pie chart here. Once you import some Achain into your wallet, you will then see a breakup. If you had other assets in here as well, then it would break them up as well. And then you can go down here and it'll actually list the asset, the amount, the value, and the percentage for your portfolio within the wallet. So I'd just like to thank you for listening and hope this has been of benefit to you. Thank you.